Hi everybody. So today our topic is Poli in Tamil Ilakkanam. Poli means it's like same. In Tamil we say idu pola irukku adu pola irukku. It means we are like comparing two or three things and we say like this is same as that thing. So it's like a comparison and say it's same. That is what we call as Poli in Tamil. It means like comparing two things. And actually the meaning will be same, though in English there may be like words, different words that gives the same meaning, right? There are many words in English, so that gives same meaning. Similarly in Tamil, here instead of changing the whole word, here we are going to change only the first letter or middle letter or the last letter, but the meaning is going to be the same thing. That is what is called as Poli. So for example, you can see here the first line says Aram Seyya Viramba idu Avvayar Vakku. So you may know Avvayar is a famous Tamil poet. So she wrote many poems and songs. One is like Aram Seyya Viramba, which comes in Aathichudi. So here Aram means doing good. Same Aram, that is doing good, is given as Aran here. Here you can see the first two letters are same, but the last letter is changed. Okay, im, in. But both Aram and Aran gives the same meaning, that is doing good to others. Similarly, there are three different categories here. You can see Mudar Poli, Idai Poli, Kadai Poli. That is nothing but the place where we are going to change the letter. Mudar Poli. Mudal means in Tamil Mudal, English it is called first. So when in the first place if the letter is changed, then it is called Mudar Poli. Idai means in between, in the middle. So Idai Poli means if letter in between is changed, the middle letter is changed, it is Idai Poli. Kadai Poli. Kadai means it's the last letter. So if the last letter is changed but still it gives the same meaning, then it is called Kadai Poli. So Poli is categorized into three, as I said. Here you can see Poli என்னும் சொல் போல இருத்தல் என்பதிலிருந்து தோன்றியது. That is, போல இருத்தல் means it's again comparing and giving the same meaning or whatever, same look. It can be same feel, can be anything. So same, comparing and giving the same output is called போல இருத்தல் in Tamil. Okay, so first we see Mudar Poli. Here these two words you can see Pasal, Paisal, Manju, Mainju, Mayal, Mayal. So all these three, these two are different. First place they have changed. See, second third letter il, both are same, but first letter pa is changed to pai, but both gives the meaning of same thing. Both gives the same meaning. So here Pasal, Paisal. Paisal means giving judgment for an argument, for a case, or like whatever it is. Paisal means judgment. Pasal is also called as judgment. So though the first letter is changed, still it gives the same meaning. Manju, Mainju. Again here the first letter is changed. Manju means it's like beautiful in English. So though the first letter is changed, it again gives the same meaning. Mainju means beautiful. Again Manju also gives the meaning beautiful. Mayal, Mayal. Mayal means attraction. You are getting attracted to someone. Okay, so again it gives the same meaning. So whenever you change the very first letter of a word but still it gives the same meaning, then it is called as Mudar Poli. Next thing is Idai Poli. Here Idai means, I said, in the middle. So here you can see not exactly middle, like in between the letters. Okay, not the first letter or not the last letter, but in between when the letter is changed. So Amachu, Amaichu. Amaichu means you are forming something, you are like creating something. That is called Amaichu in Tamil. It's like a local slang. Amaithu, that is a pure Tamil word. Like Amaichu in the sense it's like a colloquial language. So ma is changed to mai, but still both gives the same meaning of forming something. Then Ilanji, Ilanji. You can see again the second letter is changed. Arayar, Arayar. All these letters, all these words, the second letter or maybe third letter, whatever it is, though it is changed, it gives the same meaning. This is Idai Poli. The last one is Kadai Poli. Here the last letter is changed. Agam, Agan. So Nilam means land, Mugam it's your face. Pandal means what to say, like the supporting system. For creeper plants we give this pandal. No, it is like a support to the plants. Even in the front of the house during summer season we will have this pandal. That is a supporting system which makes the house cool, which stops sunlight entering into the house. That is all called pandal. Then sambal, sambar, agya circle. So all these letters, all these words, you can see the last letter is changed, but again the meaning is same. So these three are the different categories of poli in Tamil Ilakkanam. Then here we have something called mutru poli. So after all these three polis, we have one more poli called mutru poli. Okay. So mutru poli, as I said before in the introduction, it is same like see, you have two different words in English. Both are like both the words are totally different, but the meaning is same, right? Similarly, here you can see aindu, anju. So here the letters are totally different, but the meaning is number 5. Aindu means number 5. Anju, that's again a colloquial language, so that also gives the meaning number 5. So here totally different letters in all the places. First place, middle, last place, everywhere it is different, but gives the same meaning. So this is called mutru poli. Thank you.